Hey everyone, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Knight and Taylor handheld electric milk frother. Okay, so full disclosure, I have never used a milk frother before. So when Knight and Taylor reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in reviewing theirs, I said heck yeah, because this is a whole new experience and I love having new experiences here with you guys, and we can kind of learn and kind of see. Because honestly, I always thought maybe we don't need this in our kitchen, but now that I've used one, I am completely obsessed. Oh, you're going to see how awesome and easy and quick it is to turn just a regular cup of coffee into something out of this world. From our fancy box, we have a plain box inside of it, cardboard here, and you will find three things. You're going to have the handheld unit, which is waterproof, by the way. You're going to find a whisk and as well as a charging cord. Okay, so for the whisk to clean, all you have to do is run it underwater, which makes it super convenient and super easy, especially being that this is portable and you can take it wherever with you. Now, this is a Type-C charging cord, which uses the same style as the new PS5, the Samsungs, new LG phones, and new Apple products, which makes it super awesome that you don't have to go find batteries anymore. Inside of this device is a lithium battery. It will charge for 3 hours, then automatically cuts off. So you don't have to stress about it being plugged in. Now, after it is fully charged, you will get 100 uses from one full charge. Guys, that's insane. So here you have the charging port, which again is a C-type, which makes it super convenient. It's super lightweight. The whole thing, it weighs 0.38 pounds. That's it. Perfect for throwing in your work bag or your purse. Here comes a little bonus. This was a big surprise to me. It includes a second whisk. How awesome is that? You don't have to worry about ordering any extra parts for this because you already have the charging cord, the power cord. You already have one whisk. Now you have two. You can just keep one in your device. So that way if you grab it on the go, it's always in there. Or you can just keep one in your drawer in your kitchen, however you need to set that up. I just thought that was so awesome that they actually included two. So this is how I am keeping mine. I'm actually keeping one inside of the device, and then I'm going to keep one in my kitchen. So that way I always know where one is. I don't have to worry about batteries because it's rechargeable. So for a forgetful mother like me, this is awesome. I am so happy. All right, so the next thing that is important to note is that there were 3 speeds. You have like a slow, medium, and then super fast, right? And I'm gonna tell you right now, the super fast can make your milk go flying if your cup isn't big enough, so just be warned. So now this is pretty cool because the colors go white, orange, then red, and then because you're going up and then back down, so we go white, orange, red, and then it goes orange, white. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, up and then back down, which makes it a lot easier to control your frothing. So even though it looks like I'm kind of struggling a little bit, the whisk really just pops off and on. You can just slide it on and you just pull it off. I wasn't really sure. Again, this is the first time I've ever even have touched a milk frother or even looked at one in person. So I was very new and just trying to explore everything and making sure I caught everything online. And you'll see the instructions right here. As I was saying, you just pop off the whisk and then you run it under some warm water. Poof, done. Now we're actually going to use this awesome device. So all you have to do is put the little whisk in there and push it up and down. You're kind of doing an up and down motion with your hand, trying to get from side to side, and you can see the way that the milk is already puffing up. It almost doubled in size from where we started. Now this, I did let it sit for a while. That's why I did go down, because I forgot to brew my coffee ahead of time, which is fine because look at the results we are getting. This is just blending perfectly. You are going to see such satisfying lines the way that it separates, and our milky, airy, fluffy milk is going up and our coffee is settling down at the bottom. And on here I just add a little bit of cinnamon. I took a little bit of caramel syrup, sprayed it on there, And voila, I have an amazing cup of coffee. I even tried to explain to Walt, I don't know how to express to you guys how this took my coffee to the next level. This milk frother can be purchased for $31.88 at the time of this video. So definitely don't go buy a $2 one that's going to break on you. You're going to want to go check this one out. Thank you guys so much for watching.